Hi everybody, welcome to the show. Today we're going to see if we can find something nice inside this horrible firewood. If you're enjoying this video, please hit the like button and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. It'd be great to have you aboard. I'm going to end up chopping it off up to about there, I reckon, when we turn it round. It's just... might leave that extra rim on the bottom, I kind of like it. This is obviously the tenon on the bottom, which we'll remove. I need to get this really thin, otherwise it's going to crack. It's going to be fun. Stick around, see if it blows up. If you're liking this video, please subscribe and leave me a comment. I woke up in an awful mood this morning and I feel better already. Sometimes you just have to do something with your hands. I think it's very, very, I wouldn't say calming. Spinning a large 1.5 kilo piece of wet crotch wood that's been being delivered in a bunch of firewood is probably not the most relaxing. But when you get to this point, I think it's just good for the soul, quite honestly. Right, let's turn it round.
Please subscribe and help me feed my starving children.
Take care, everybody. Goodbye.